Guys, sharing you my first chireng. I-open natin yung box. Wala lang guys. Ito naman. Actually, gusto kong sabihin, wala lang guys. Ito naman. Nabudol na naman. But, it's our way of a reward. No, hindi naman talaga ako sobrang everyday nag-shoot. Pero, ganda lang ng mga ngayon na dami na naglabasan ng mga ganyan. Then, you are buying a quality shoes. Hindi naman na in lang talaga siya. But, it's really, quality-wise, guys, mahal siya. Pero, the shoes will really last. Sa totoo lang. And then, sinasabing healing inner child. Pero I accept the fact naman nung wala kaming nung kabataan namin na I'm so happy already na palitan ko ni mama sa merkado kay nindot man po daw. Nindot, but when you're young, you are not fully aware, Gusto ni mo na ako ani, na ako ana, but when you grow, when you na mature ka na, maisip ni mo ba na, maupod ay wala to ni mo na, wala ka nakasulob ani, wala ka napalitan ana, because of the situation, but karon na thanks God na ay gamay-gamay na extra. I work hard, so kana siya. Sharing you my little blessings. Yes, this is my first Air Jordan Low. Meron akong Nike, pero ito yung first, parang iba pala talaga ang quality ng Iba din yung forma ng Air Jordan compared to Dunk Low. Pero maganda siya. I'm so happy na nakahanap na ako ng size and I will look forward na maggamit ko siya, masulit ko siya. It is in a bit girly like, pero pwede man din to sa panlalaki siguro. If you are wearing so much plain, maganda siya i-accent. So, it's number 23. Yan ang OG number ni Jordan. I grew up, watching NBA. Yung mga kasagsagan pa na sobrang lakas ni Jordan, Scottie Pippen, yung trio. So, it's nice. Ang ganda ng quality niya. And, I bought it on a bit lesser price kasi 475 dirhams. Supposedly, it's 679 something. That midnight, nag-33% sila. So, it's good deal and it's really good quality shoes, guys. And thank you so much for the blessings, Kahit gaano kaliit, kahit hindi pa ninyo kaya ngayon, just keep on working hard, pray. Eventually, pag hindi naman kayo mahilig, why not? Buy kahit ano-ano, basta as long as you're happy, walang inaapakan na tao, that's it. That's good. And take care always of your parents, guys. Please do take care of your parents. And stay safe. Work hard. Be grateful always. Ang ganda niya lang. Back to the shoes. Ang ganda niya, guys. I look forward na I can try to buy the mid. Kung pagsikapan ulit. I'll try. It's so nice. I'll try to wear it with my dress. Yung mga pasok na plain na dress para pasok pa rin siya kasi may kulay siya. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe. Stay blessed. God bless. Everything na blessings para sa iyo lahat, para sa atin. Take good care. All of you. Thank you.